What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about some updates for Pfizer stock and reviewing the quarterly earnings that they just announced. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. And don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. We last talked about Pfizer stock here on my channel a couple months ago whenever I explained why this was one of the companies that I was heavily adding to my portfolio. And since that video, Pfizer has overall been seeing some nice upward movement, up about 20% over that time frame. And after reporting their quarterly earnings prior to market open on May 4th, Pfizer opened up on the day, reaching around $40 per share, before pulling back as part of the broader market sell-off after Secretary of the Treasury Janet Yellen burst the market bubble when she mentioned about rising interest rates. But despite what that could mean for the broader market, Pfizer was able to stay strong throughout the trading day, and was able to close out the trading day at just under $40 per share, closing at $39.95. So with all of that being said, what exactly did Pfizer report in their earnings? Overall, as a Pfizer shareholder, I was quite happy with their earnings. Pfizer announced that they were able to grow their revenue by 42% in the first quarter, led by their revenue from the vaccine, which was able to generate $3.4 billion, as well as $1.6 billion in revenue from the sales of Eliquis. In total, Pfizer was able to generate $14.6 billion in revenue in the first quarter, resulting in an adjusted EPS of 93 cents per share. Of that total revenue, Pfizer reported that $4.8 billion made its way to the bottom line as net income, and Pfizer will be maintaining their quarterly dividend of 39 cents per share. And regarding the vaccine, Pfizer anticipates that they will be able to generate approximately $26 billion of revenue in 2021 and anticipate that they will be able to further increase their manufacturing capabilities to generate at least 3 billion doses in 2022. And have also recently signed contracts with the United Kingdom, Israel, and Canada to supply additional doses this year and for years to come. In addition to the vaccine, Pfizer has also begun to develop protease inhibitors to treat individuals who are infected with the virus, currently working on developing both an IV and an oral treatment option. In addition to that, Pfizer has also been utilizing its mRNA technology to develop vaccines for other viruses such as the flu. And Pfizer also has other vaccines and medications in their pipeline that they continue to study and develop and hope to bring to the market by 2025. So what are my thoughts about Pfizer as a long-term investment after this earnings report? Overall, at the time that I'm recording this video, I continue to be extremely bullish about Pfizer as a long-term investment. And my only disappointment is that whenever I was buying shares of Pfizer a couple months ago, I wasn't able to buy heavier. I see Pfizer as a safe long-term investment that is going to be able to generate significant passive income in the form of dividends, as well as see share price appreciation over the next few years. And as we continue to see more and more variants of the virus pop up globally across the world, it's becoming clearer to everyone that the vaccine is going to be something that becomes ingrained within healthcare in the form of an annual vaccine that is needed, much like the way that the flu vaccine is developed yearly. This will continue to be a huge source of revenue for Pfizer for years to come, and this doesn't even touch on the other medications within their pipeline and other applications that could potentially lend themselves use to their mRNA technology. But remember, my videos are never medical or financial advice. They're merely me researching a company and talking about my opinions about that company based on that research. An investment in Pfizer, like an investment in any company, comes with risks. So if you're thinking about investing in Pfizer, please make sure you're doing your own research and only investing in Pfizer if you're willing to accept those risks. What are your thoughts about Pfizer? Are you invested in Pfizer? Are you considering investing in PFE? Where do you see the share price going over both the short term and the long term? And what are your thoughts about their recent quarterly report? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.